Hey friends, Scott Smith at the Smith Team at Keller Williams. Happy Friday. Wanted to share with you some insight on the two big questions that we are getting all the time. If we're out and about at the home store, at the grocery store, just bumping into clients as we're out and about, we are getting the questions all the time. The first question that we get is, how's the market? Usually, they're asking, what's going on with the real estate market? How's work going? Is it active? The second question they have is, what are interest rates doing? Because that is something that is certainly top of mind and in the news. So I wanted to share with you some insight on the second question as it relates nationally to interest rates. So what I've got for you is a couple great visual charts to share. The first one shows how interest rates are impacted during the spring market. Again, this is across the country. So what you're seeing is a chart that reflects national averages, not local numbers. So kind of keep that into context. What's interesting about this chart is we kind of see how those interest rates have over the last couple of spring markets, they've actually gone down quite a bit. And the impact on that is, where we had been up in the mid to upper sevens, and now we're into the low sixes, and it looks like things are going to stabilize with that. But how does that impact everyone on a day-to-day basis? And basically, the next chart I want to share with you is the impact on a $400,000 mortgage going from the low sevens to the low sixes, even to under six, and that's about $300 to $400 a month. And that's not a huge number, but it certainly has an impact on the buyer qualifying and on a monthly budget. So that's a good thing to see, as we're seeing interest rates trending down, even with a lot of economic and political turmoil. We're seeing the interest rates kind of settle in to where we're expecting that they're going to be over the next year or two. And that's the next chart I want to show you. This is a national average of four different resources from Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Mortgage Bankers Association, and Wells Fargo, who's one of the largest servicers across the country. Their projections, what they're expecting to see, is all going to be kind of settling in that just above 6%. We've seen some rates dip below the 6% line, which is certainly a good thing from a borrowing standpoint. But the long-term projection is that we're going to be settling in anywhere from 6.25% to 6% on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. What does that mean for you as a borrower? The biggest thing is really the stability with that, and those long-term projections. Obviously, there's going to be some fluctuations, but watching those rates. If your people are waiting to make a move for interest rates, the opportunity is probably going to be on the horizon, where we're going to see the interest rates settling in over the long term. So don't wait for the rates. Let's take a look at making a move so it can fit your lifestyle. And that also creates the other opportunity for some good deals on homes. And what we're seeing in this next chart is an impact on how many sellers are willing to negotiate. We're seeing some great opportunities out there for some of our sellers, or for some of our buyers, rather, where they are getting some good deals, especially on new construction. I saw a statistic that 80%, or 8 out of 10 home builders have actually made some price adjustments or offered some concessions or incentives to get their inventory moving. I think they kind of got over their skis a little bit, and they want to make sure that they're getting that inventory out and off the books as we get into the next fall. So there's some good news out there. Want to share that with you when it comes to interest rates. So next time you see me on the street, wherever it might be, bumping into you anywhere, ask me those two questions: how's the market, and how are interest rates doing? So here's some good information for you. If you like this video, please share it with some people that would find it helpful. Subscribe to our whatever social channel you're watching this on. We'll keep you in touch with what's going on in the local real estate market. Thanks. Have a great day and enjoy the weekend. Take care.